think I put on my time a little bit wrong. Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Good morning. Damage Strikes. Good morning. Royce Francis is here. Raider for life. Good morning. Why does it say it starts at 2? Wait. Yeah, I know. I put in the wrong time. SMT Hunter X Jim Pride. Royce. Jim in the web. Good morning. We are here, we are here, folks. Wow, what a crazy overnight session. I'm telling you what, chat, the market moves way more. Market moves way more in the overnight session. Look at this. Crazy. Good morning, Kevin G. Kevin G is here. Good morning. All right. Hang on. I'm a little bit distracted this morning. I have a guy here. There's a guy here that's doing. He's doing we had some pretty bad storms here, and I lost a couple shingles on my roof. So we are doing doing an estimate, trying to get an evaluate or a quote or something. It's just assessing the damage. So I might have to run. All right, I have. All right. What is this market gonna do? Of course, FYI, if you're just new, last night we did not succeed. We did not succeed in trying to get those Apex accounts. I only actually had like $300 of drawdown left, so they did not last very long. So we have unfortunately another fresh set of Apex 50Ks to try to pass. Hopefully. I knew these new Apex evals were harder to pass, and I'm starting to have serious regrets on how I blew that last round of funded accounts, and just how stupid that was. But is what it is. Good morning, UK Futures Trader. Thank you, John. Good morning, John. D. Lorenzo is here. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, RXHX. Good morning. How does it go? All right, I mean, pretty crazy move here. We had the 240s. We went from the 240s all the way up to the 420s. And then from the 420s all the way down to the 140s. I mean, this market is crazy. One thing I was looking at yesterday's trades, and one thing I got to be a little bit more careful of, man, if the market starts to gain momentum, don't try to fight it. I just gotta be okay with accepting. One thing I've noticed with myself, I do pretty well. Like, I do pretty good with accepting the first loss and like the second loss. Like, I do pretty good where like I'll accept the first loss, I'll accept the second loss, but it's when it starts getting more than that is where I start to not do so well. When I start to do the third loss in a row, the fourth loss in a row, that's kind of when the wheels fall off and I kind of start to basically abort. Okay, this is kind of what I might jump in here. It's 8:36. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna look for a. If we get filled, I'm gonna take this. If not, see if we get filled. Oh my goodness. And we're in. All right, chat. First trade of the day. Let's see. Just looking for that continuation. Keep pushing this thing higher. Hopefully. What companies do you have your funded accounts with? I trade Take Profit, Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex. Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex is who I use. Wait, why am I not copy trading my accounts? Why am I not copy trading? Hello? Did I mess something up? Let me double check. Micros. Oh, snap. I'm an idiot. All right, hang on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Well, we might have gotten lucky. Thankfully, we were not copy trading. All right, 1387. Is that? All right, now we're ready. I had selected the I was still copy trading the minis instead of micros. Hey, trading in the zone. Good morning, Blackout News Network. Good morning, Frank Mortimer, Ian Connor, Pascal, PHC Trader. Good morning. R5 Studios, Jack Wiley, Dan Toloy. Dan is here. Mr. Wall Street is here. Trades by Neo. Good morning. Good morning, John. Vic Rocky is here. Mark Weaver is here. Good morning. Rob Judd, Tristan. Good morning, chat. Good morning. TJP is here. Kobe. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hopefully, we can do a little bit better today. Yesterday was kind of a good example of yesterday. If I was trading funded accounts yesterday, I would have 100% walked away when I was up $500 per account. I was up 10,000. I would have walked away for the day and called it good, but we're trading evals, so I'm getting tempted. I am getting very tempted to just ship it, you know? I just don't want to wait. I feel like I'm wasting time right now, but I got to remind myself that I'm not trading well. So we have to slow down. And that's what I'm trying to tell myself is I'm not trading well. So slow down and just don't go crazy. Tell us your strategy this morning, PHC. So my thing, okay, so if we look at the daily chart, okay, I'm so annoyed why my orders are still showing up here. Why? Can somebody tell me why this is still the case? Because if I go to properties or data series, it says plot executions. It says do not plot. Why is it not listening to it? I don't get it. Whatever. So annoying. It's kind of annoying, but I mean, I still think we're what I'm looking for today is kind of our overnight low. Our overnight low is down here at the 150s, basically the 130s. So I am still I still think we are kind of in a bullish, like short-term bullish kind of trend. But okay, let me put it this way: if we lose the 24,100s, if we sweep the overnight lows and we keep going lower, that is when I'm going to look for shorts. As long as we stay above the 100s, as long as we stay above the 24,100s, I'm going to look for longs. I was going to guess my way in and guess my way out. That's true. That is facts. Apex is 90% off. Thank goodness. Even though basically my bank or my credit card informed me this morning that it cost me, hang on, let me get you the exact numbers, chat. Cuz I felt it was kind of rude how much it told me. It's like rubbing it in again. So my bank informed me that it costs precisely $698 for a fresh set of 20 end of day drawdown Apex 50K accounts. $698. So yeah, there's that. I mean, it which isn't too bad, I guess. You know, it's not. I don't know. It obviously I prefer not to spend money, but it is what it is. I just want to pass them, man. So annoying. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning. How we doing? Mega Musketeer Someone said $500 yesterday. Let's see the drum roll. Wait, someone said, let's see the drum. Yeah, the activation fees that's when it hurts. But see, I don't mind. If I actually pass them, this is my 2 cents. I would much rather have low cost evals and an activation fee than a higher cost eval with no activation fee. I've always preferred it that way because that way, once you do pass, like I would rather spend less money in the beginning and then when I do pass, at least I know I'm getting a funded account after that. That's just my 2 cents. I just prefer it that way, and I mean, it is what it is. It sucks. I hate passing evals. I just hate it. Do I have other funded accounts to trade? No, trading in the zone. The only accounts that I am currently trading are what you see on the screen. I am not trading any other prop firms or anything outside of that. So it's a little rough right now, chat. It's a little rough. I mean, I feel like it's going to be a stretch getting a payout in April. April is going to be a challenge just even to get a payout. So I don't know, man. It's going to be rough. It's going to just be rough. Feel like this year is going to be a rough year for me. I don't know. I hope I'm wrong. But look at this. Like, this kind of trading, I don't do well with this type of trading. I just don't. There's no secret to it. This here, when we trade like this, that's where I trade well. I love trading the markets when we're doing this. When we're doing this, choppy, like inside days, seems like every single day is just a chop fest and lots of V-shaped reversals. We're just not getting. I mean, I always say it's kind of dumb to complain about price action. I mean, don't get me wrong. I will do my fair share of complaining about this stupid market. So don't get it twisted. But it is still our own choice to trade it or not. So I guess it's my own fault. But it's annoying. I just don't like it. But I think the key is, like, at least for me, hey, if price action isn't what I want it to be and I'm still going to trade it, I just need to make sure I slow down. I just don't want to be, because if you don't slow down, you're going to rack up so much expenses, your head will fall off. It will literally fall off. I'm glad I'm not alone in this prop trading. It's so painful, not going to lie. SML, it is. Honestly, it's painful, but I know once you've experienced when it's going well and when you've experienced getting payouts and getting consistent payouts, there's nothing better, man. It feels like you found a glitch in the matrix. It's so fun when you're getting $20,000, $30,000 payouts. Oh, it's so nice, but I gotta say, man, those days seem long, long, long time ago. But we're gonna get back to it. Don't you worry, chat. We will be back. Don't worry. I have full faith. Right now we're going over a little bumpy road. Things are a little bit falling off the wagon. But we're gonna get back to it. Don't you fret. Don't you frown. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I do know I'm too stubborn. I'm too stubborn to give up. So it is what it is. Why don't I do this straight to funded Tradeify, Raymond? Very simple, because I suck at trading right now. That's why. Usually, Raymond, I would do straight to funded. And I kind of recommend, but see, when if you're not getting consistent payouts, don't use straight to funded. And that's where I'm at. I'm not getting payouts right now, so I'm not allowing myself to do straight to funded because you're just wasting money. You're just wasting money. Hey, traitorous chick, good morning. Pat44, a blind guy can trade a trending market. Well, I don't even care. Last night I get called to live on Lucid. Oh, really, Faisal? How many? So after how many payouts, Faisal? It was a well-deserved timeout. What do you mean, Black News Network? I didn't time you out. You're good. Your chat moderates the most ridiculous things and puts chatters in timeout. What do you mean, Raider for life? Do we need to have an? Do we need to do we need to audit the mods? Let me look. Let me look. Your chat moderate, so I can see if something was moderated. Let me look. Oh, I do see that. I do see now. Ah. Yeah, we can maybe go a little bit easier. I mean that's fine. Raider for life. Oh dear. Raider for life is fine, Wall Street. Mr. Wall Street is going ham. Mr. Wall Street is going in the he's going ham. Oh man. We might need to just chill a little bit on it, just a tad. All right, market. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting interested here. I am getting interested. I might go. I might. This might be a long. I might chase. John, I didn't ask for. I didn't ask for this position. I bribed my way into it. uh, man, I'm tempted here to take a long if we get up over the 220s. It is 9, what is it, 8:55 right now? Why is this thing so delayed? All right, now the copy trader is working. All right, I'm going to look for that push back above into that 240 area. See if we can get it. Uh oh, that's not what I wanted to see. Trying to think. Oh, shoot. You know what? Oh, oh, oh! Chat, let's go! What was, what? What? Was there news? That had to be news. Oh, let's go, chat! Woot, woot! It's too easy. That was sick. What a rip. We caught the news. Thank you. Must be Orange Man tweeted. Let me look. What did Orange Man tweet just now? That was crazy. Wow, that was crazy. You just made 2,400? Jump tweeted from the toilet? Donald Trump. No, that's not the one. Explosions heard on Karg Island. No, that's not it. The news is not out yet. What is happening? All I will say is we will take it. We will take it. Why? Okay. See, guys, have you noticed? I have noticed something. Hey, Biblical to Timothy 1-7. Thank you for the $10. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. God bless you, man. It was scheduled calendar Redbook retail sales. What? For real? At 8:54? At 8:54? Nah, there's no way that was a scheduled news release, was it? And now look at this thing just completely fall apart. You helped me get long? Hey, Biblical to that's awesome. Oh man. Now, if only we're never happy here, because if only I was trading minis here, that would have been a perfect news event to pass these stupid evals. All right, we're gonna keep trying. Maybe we can pass these evals today. Wouldn't that be awesome? Wouldn't. By the way, guys, chat, remind me. Remind me. I want to do a giveaway today. Let's do a giveaway today. Chat, remind me. My Apex. I have Apex, Lucid, or Take Profit Trader accounts to give away. I technically could. I could use my Apex accounts for myself. They told me I'm allowed to do that if I want to. But I think I'll give them away. You guys deserve them. Or you guys will put those Apex accounts to way better use than I will. We're not doing the giveaway again, chat. Not right now. I mean, we're not doing the giveaway right now. We will do the giveaway, but we're not doing it right now. I forgot to look. How many Apex codes do I even have? Let's look, chat. Can you imagine I opened this on the wrong spread? Oh, that was close. Okay, I have 21 accounts. 21 codes with Apex. I think we have, yeah, we can do some giveaways, man. We can do quite a bit of giveaways. Should be fun. I'll have a lucid 150K straight to fund it. Let me get right on that. Hang on. Wow, look at that. We went higher and just immediately pulled back. That's crazy. Typical market, but I'm tempted. If we get back above this, I think I'm going to go try this long. Why? All right, here we go. And we're in, chat. Come on, let's go. Rip it. You know you want to go back up higher. Come on, just do it. What? I have a lucid case to open? What is going on here, chat? All right. I kind of want this thing to... This thing's making me a little bit nervous. We're not pumping. Ribbit! Bounce off that 220 level. Come on. You know you want to do it. Just do it. Rip. Rip. Ribbit! Come on, do it. Come on. Oh, it's going to be difficult. Come on. You got to go right here. Pop it. Pop, pop, pop. Doesn't want to do it. Trump tweeted, now that we are talking to new people, maybe something revolutionary can happen. Oh, really? But that was after we wipe out the culture. Oh, you gotta love it. All right, I'm getting annoyed. I'm gonna take half it off. I'm just annoyed. And I'm not gonna take the big L here. I'm gonna have my stop right there and just take it. If we get stopped, we get stopped. I don't know that I like this too much. It's 9:05, so we got another 25 minutes before the open, so this thing could definitely revisit the 260, 240 area, so I don't know. I'm just going to leave it. The previous day low could be a key area today. If we don't hold it, we could tank. Yeah, I agree, RX. That was kind of my theory. My game plan today, I'm going to say this out loud so you guys can hear it and so that you guys can hold me accountable. My game plan today I am going to remain bullish and look for longs only unless we lose the 24,100s. If we go below the 24,100s, then I will look for shorts. Until then, we only buy. We only go long and rip it. Come on, baby, go. All right, we'll take that. Go. Just keep going. I will take, actually, I will take profit at the 545s right here. I'll take that. I will take it. Israel clearly doesn't want the war to end yet, so USA won't back down today. They will go on with it. Yeah, rated for life. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't even want to try to predict what I don't want to try to predict what's going to happen. It's so this is the new way of trading is you never know when a Trump tweet's going to hit. And that's like I don't care what kind of strategy you have. Like you can have ICT strategies and yada 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 whatever you want. You can proclaim all this kind of BS. I don't care. There is nothing that will predict a Trump tweet. So it is what it is. Good morning, Tech 111. Too easy. That's right, John. No, John. Hang on. It's too early in the day to say that. I can only say that as I'm ready to end stream. Okay? Nobody can beat a Trump tweet. Exactly. The only strat you need is risk management. Exactly. Actually, it's very true, RX. You know it's true. You know it's true. That's what I messed up yesterday. Actually, I was looking back at my trading yesterday, and yeah, I definitely didn't trade well on that last. I kind of went on tilt. But my real mistake, the real mistake was instead when I took 2 losses in a row, then I upped my size to 2 minis. That was the mistake. I mean, obviously, I still fought the trend. That was also a mistake. But switching to 2 minis after a couple bad trades was that was the real mistake. Hey, Mike Huddleston's burner. My strategy is not BS. I am the algo. Get off your burner phone, Mike. Get off your burner phone. It's not allowed. Come in here and chat us. Hey, we've had the real ICT in here. I mean, not many people know this, but the real ICT, he's a big fan of Nutty. Okay? He's a big fan. He's a big fan. Even though I don't trade his concepts. So, he must have switched to his burner account. I'm not sure. Hey, good morning, Lawrence Harris. There was no clear trend yesterday either. I know, Raider for life. You're exactly right. I mean, yesterday was more just I was trying to buy. This is what got me. This right here. Because all day long, this 260 area was holding as support. And I was convinced once we break down below this 260 area, this is where I became very biased. And once we broke down below it, I thought, oh, we're going to keep going lower. And that's where I paid the price. This rip higher is where we hit the DLL on the Apex accounts. Unfortunate. It was oh so unfortunate. Hey, let's go tech. Let's go. I felt like this was definitely this was a very sound trade. Just bounce off the EMAs and I don't know. Who knows? Mike Huddleston. I am the engineer and manufacturer of smart money concepts. I told you, Mike. I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Get off your burner phone. You get in here, and you chat as the real ICT. I'm not gonna allow the burner phone to be in my chat. Just can't have it. Hey, Autumn. Good morning. I only need another $40 today, and then I'm done. Oh, RX, you got this. What could go wrong? I expect to lose every trade now in this market, so stops are tight. Yeah, that's a good way to look at it. We would probably be better off. Like I know I would be better off, but if every single trade we take, we have to just fully accept. Like if we would enter every trade as if we're going to lose, we would be good traders. Hey, Youngo, how we doing? Good morning. Is it Young Agoji? Ago, I don't 832. Don't do it, Mr. Wall Street. Mr. Wall Street, you're Mr. Wall Street. I'm not sure. He must have got up pretty early this morning. Mr. Wall Street got up on the wrong side of bed. He has been timing out people left and right. So I don't know. Consider yourself warned, chat. It's young Agogi, like the Spartans. Yeah, see, you lost me. I don't know what Spartan. Hang on. I'm gonna ask Chat GPT. Jung. It's like young. Oh, it's Agogi. Is it Agogi? I think that's right. Payout and expenses update, please. You know what? I will do it. Hang on. I'll just update it right now. I haven't done the video yet, but I have the numbers. Hang on. Give me a second. Tech 11. You're all up in my business, right? And it's fair. It's warranted. But just give me a second. This year to date expenses versus payouts. Oh, this makes me want to puke. It ain't pretty, folks. It ain't pretty. $25, 4, 5, 6, 65. 25. 4, 5, 6. 4, 7, 2, 6, 6. All right, here we go. Now it'll be updated. Now it'll be updated. It'll be updated, tech. Here, I'll show you guys. This is ugly, ugly, ugly. I'll just show you. This is where we're at currently. We're at 25,456 in expenses, 47,000 in payouts. So we took a big hit. Took a big hit in the month of March. Yeah, we're racking up our expenses on Apex. We're now at 48. This is actually going to be a bigger number because this is only through the end of March. Lucid, Tradeify is real ugly. Take Profit and Top Step are the only two that we're getting payouts from currently. Well, we did get yeah, those are the only ones. 24 and 22. This is showing the net profit on each prop firm. But that's how she goes. That's how it is. It is what it is. The price of doing business. Now we don't feel that bad compared to ours. Yes, that's what I'm here for, Tech 11. I'm here to make everybody feel better about themselves. You know what? I feel like I'm doing a service now that I think about it like that. I'm here to provide a service. It's called a maybe I need to sell a service or something. It's called a feel good service. You can watch me trade and look at my expenses and then you'll feel really good about yourself. That's worth something. That is worth something, chat. All right, it is 9:20. We got 10 minutes to the open. I am not going to trade from now till the open. I really want to see what happens here if we take out this 24,000 like 120 area. Something tells me that we're in for a red day. But I am going to not take short trades. I'm not looking for shorts until we lose the 24,100s. I'm just going to try to keep myself out of trouble and hope we don't get those V-shaped moves. Even if we do, if we get V-shaped moves, I just gotta get out of the way. I cannot try to fade these insane moves. Shalation, nuclear bomb today. Honestly, who knows? Is it today? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Tuesday is the day that Trump said he's gonna bomb all their bridges and power plants. So I can't believe this is the world we live in. It's crazy. But remember, chat, no new wars. No new wars. That's what he said. You know, I'm not to get political, but I'm not even a Trump hater, and it's like, come on, man. Some of the things that he says and does are just absolutely insane. It would be insane, like, but then the fact that it's the president that is saying it, it's insane. It is crazy. Hey, Timbo Trades is here. It's what Americans voted for. It's true. It's true. No, well, the Americans voted for no new wars, so I don't know. I don't know. Feel like you got an argument. uh no new nuclear wars or just normal wars? Trump on Iran. A whole civilization will die tonight, never to be brought back again. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. He said that? Did he actually say that? That is so crazy. Hmm. Hmm. Wow. Wow. We are cooked, chat. I think he means the Islamist civilization from 1979. That doesn't mean people. Define civilization. Well, let me look. Let me look. What? I mean, what does civilization mean? I mean, it's a way of life or a way of let me look. Let me see. Let me see. But does it still would involve people. I don't know. Whatever. Trump uses words carefully. Ah, it's pretty rich. I feel like he says whatever he wants to say. Let me go get one payout before it all goes up. No, I honestly, I think all of this is just a big charade to it's basically a negotiating tactic. It's a negotiating tactic using fear. The problem is if he gets called on his bluff, what's going to happen? What is going to happen? Because that's when things could get a little ugly. Ugly. The regime in Iran can live like 1,000 years ago. Also, just destroying their power plants won't bring them down. No. My civilization is stuck inside a 327-inch PC screen. uh, it should be a fun day, huh? Should be an interesting day. Anyway, I guess we're just gonna see. We're just gonna wait and see. Yep, Trump says a whole civilization will die tonight, will never be brought back again. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. That is an actual insane quote from our actual president. We are living in a matrix, fat chat. We are living in a matrix. It's crazy. But there is no shot. There is no shot that that will happen. This is 100% a negotiating tactic. Unbelievable. It'll be called off 30 minutes prior, probably. Oh, it will. It's not going to happen. He's referring to the technology of Iran. I don't know. Whatever. I'm not going to try to determine what he's trying to say. All right, 3 minutes. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the open. Oh. Oh man. Well, okay. Think about it like this. That's what he tweeted, and this is how the market reacts. That basically tells you how seriously people are taking what he says. People are not taking him seriously anymore. That's just my opinion. But he's made too many threats and he's said too many things, and it's just getting too wild. The problem with that is at some point things are gonna go differently. Hey, we are ripping. Come on, market. Don't just go straight up, please. All right, pulling right back. I really want us to I want us to test the 120s. But right now this thing is, I mean, you know what I don't want today, chat? Please. Hey, Gutenberg, Gamakre, good morning. Miss Trader, good morning. Average Joe Trades, good morning. Bless you. John, yeah. This feels like a short. Man, this thing is really faked out up to the 300s. It's so tempting to take a short here, but remember what I said, chat? I said I wouldn't do it. I'm not going to do it. Man, I don't. I'm just gonna wait. Hey, nicely done, John. That's smart. That is smart. I mean, this 200 level has been acting as support. I definitely could try a long here off the 200s. I might try it. Just looking for that rip back up. I'm not gonna be greedy here. Are we really just gonna have a choppy day again? Ugh. We might. We might. If we do, I'm not sure. I'm not sure I can handle another choppy, range bound day. Come on, market. Just go. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Just taking a little scalp there, but doesn't look like we want to go higher. I want to see what happens if we retest the 120s. I want to see what happens. Oh, shoot. I forgot that we have a guy here. I mean, this 200, 220 is holding. It keeps holding. Wow. We are going to rip. Look at it go. 260s being tested again. The VWAP. Oh, man. Shorting this VWAP area would be so tempting. But I said I wouldn't do it. I'm trying to be more disciplined. How was my prediction of 8:20 Eastern yesterday? I was off by 2 minutes. What? Oh, really? Trade Debs? Yeah, actually, you're right. Good morning, Bella. Good to see you. Even COVID time was easier to trade. This just, well, what's so weird about today's market right now? It seems like the overnight hours we get crazy moves, but then during the New York session, all of a sudden the market just goes sideways and very choppy. Crazy. YM is dumping. All right, we're trying to get up through the VWAP. I guess we got to look for longs. That's what I said I would do. And right back down. Welcome to the Chop Fest. Just another day of choppiness. Because why not? And right back down, testing the 230s. Man, this is so bad. Oh. All right back down, testing the 220s. Look at this. Look at this stupid market. I mean, are we really just gonna do this again today? No shot. It's wild. All right, let's see the 200s. See if it holds. Man, it's so tempting. I mean, I guess this is where I should be buying. I should be buying right here, but I don't know why. I'm having a hard time convincing myself. I mean, I guess we gotta do it. I don't know. I guess we gotta buy. We gotta buy. I'm just not giving this much wiggle room. I just don't care. It's either gonna go here or I'm just gonna get stopped on my trail. I don't mind. I don't care either way, really. And we're stopped on the trail. So choppy. Hey, good morning, Design Knob. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, last night would have been an easy overnight session to blow accounts. I do think this is gonna test the 120s. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. Vector, good morning. Yep. Timbo, also don't forget FOMC at 2. Yeah, it's just the meeting minutes, right? The FOMC at 2 is just the minutes. So it shouldn't be too big of a move. I want DXY to work for its previous day low. All right, here we go. Testing the 180s. I mean, this is also where I should be buying, I guess. Probably should have gone in on that, but oh well. I wasn't quick enough. All right, retesting the 180s. I'm not going to take this long. I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to wait. What's with FOMC? I don't see the news. It's only the meeting minutes. Yeah, Fred Yeager. On it, you know what? I am so happy. I am sleeping so much better. I can't believe how much better I'm sleeping since I am not trading the overnight. Yeah, it's actually made a surprisingly big difference on my sleeping schedule. I am sleeping way better during the night when I'm not worried about the market at all. That part I really like, and I'm going to continue. Okay, I want to see us get down below the 820. I want to lose the 80s. I want us to retest the 120s. And then from there, I will... Maybe we can look for shorts. But right now, I just want to wait. I want to wait, see how we react off the 120 level. All those new Apex accounts. Yes, these are new, Design Knob. They did not get revived. So last night we hit the day of loss limit. What was it? Last Wednesday. But yeah, I actually only had $380 of drawdown left on those accounts. So I really didn't have a chance. I mean, I did, but I didn't. But yeah, last night we tried to YOLO those accounts and bring them back to life, but didn't work. So these Apex accounts are a fresh set of accounts. Fresh and have never been abused. Not yet. All right, we are continuing lower. Let's see. I mean, I might take a long at the 120s. But I really hope this just drops down through the one. I kind of hope we just take out the 24,100s and we just start selling off like crazy. That's kind of what I wanted. I want that to happen, but also going to try to just be patient. Hey, Amakre, nice short. I like the shorts. I did, but I'm trying to obey my, I don't know, just trying not to get in trouble. This 24,120 level and the all right, getting a bounce here off the 160s. 160s have been a pretty important level. Was a pretty important level yesterday. Or the 260s were. I'm just trying to obey my plan. I do way better if I obey my plan. If I go against my plan and then I'm wrong, I have a way harder time accepting my losses. Or I get triggered so much easier because anytime I do something stupid, then I like compound my stupidity. It's like, hey, I did one thing stupid, so let's do something even more stupid than the last thing that was stupid. It's a weird dynamic, but I mean, this would be the only place here that I could justify taking. Like, this is where I would take a long, and I could take a long here, right off the 160s. Maybe I will if we fail to make new lows below the 140s. I might. I feel like if we rip back above this, then I do have a long here. Now we just got to get going. Might be a fake out. Gotta see this thing pop. We gotta get back above the 180s right now. Come on. I'm just taking these little miniature scalps. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Just not gonna let this thing go against me that much. If we can get a rip going, we'll take it. Other than that, I'm just playing this safe. Oh, yeah, I don't know. I don't like this. This feels like just kind of a fake move higher, and then we go drop down below. But right now, I'm okay. If we get stopped here, it's fine. If this rips back up, we're fine. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Moment of truth right here. So far, it's holding. Oh, baby. Rip it. All right, now we're moving my stop here. That 160 level, it's definitely holding pretty well. See if we get a final push up into that 220 level. I could take profit here at the 200s, but I'm going to see if we can't get up through the 220s. This is honestly where end of day drawdown accounts, I trade different. Like here, I'm a little bit more okay with see if I can get a runner. And if I get stopped out here on the runner, I don't care as much. If this was intraday trailing, I would 100% take profit at the 200s. Are we going or not? Feel like we're going to get stopped here. Yep. Rejected. I mean, that's okay. Let's see. Are we going to make new lows now? We'll take it. Design knob. A runner, you crack me up. You know I like a good runner. Hey, how we doing, Tyler? Good to see you. Good to see you, Tyler. Good morning. How's it going, Tyler? The deadline has been extended since we blew up their communication and 2 levels of leadership and have to send notes back and forth. Wait, Josh, what? TCM trades. Today is not the day for extended plays. Get in and get out. Take your profits any way you can. I mean, yeah, for the most part, but this is starting to. I mean, we got to take out the 160s. We got to take out the 120s. It feels like we are going to do that. Let's go. TCM trades, you went back to the 25K accounts. Hey, if I keep struggling, I will go to the 25K accounts. I will do it. I will do it. If I keep struggling with my trading, then I will switch to the 25K accounts. I've already switched from the 150s to the 50s, so we will definitely do it. They're sending notes by carrier pigeon. Tradeify ended up canning my 150K Lightning account due to the hedge. That's annoying. Right in the tick. $40. Hey, let's go, RX. Let's go, RX. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right, we're bouncing. See, we bounce off this 140. I'm not gonna take a long here. I'm gonna wait. I want to see what happens at the 120s. I'm so itchy on my arm. I think. Oh, really? The legacy accounts too? So the 6K drawdown? Oh, man. That's annoying. All right, 140s. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Moment of truth here at the 120 level. Here we go. 120s. Boom. There it is. We shall wait. $120s. Trying to get a bounce. I want to see what happens at the 100s. All right, 110s. This is where I might try along here at the 100, 110 area. If we sweep this. Gets a little dangerous here. Wow, right down. All right, I'm going to try it. This is going to be very short. I will get out of this really quickly. This is the final stab at longs. If it doesn't work. Yeah, I'm out. I don't like that. Don't like it. Feel like I'm trying to catch a falling knife there. I'm just going to wait. I just don't want to see a huge bounce here off the 100s. If this bounces like crazy, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I just want to see it rip down through it, and then we can look for shorts. Didn't you say earlier you weren't going to fight the trend? I mean, I said I was going to wait for the 24 100s, but I wasn't going to fight. Yeah, not fighting the trend, so to speak. Which that looking for a bounce isn't fighting, or that's not what I'm talking. What I'm talking about is when I'm, when I'm 50 to 80 points in drawdown and I just keep DCAing. That's what I'm talking about when I say fighting the trend. Maybe a better way to say is fight, like, yeah, just when I'm fighting, like when I'm trading like that, that's what I mean. All right, it's trying to get a bounce here. It's trying to bounce, but we are not getting much. Hey, it's Gravity. Good morning. Don't force anything to wait for the chart. Just close your short. Let's go, Peter. How is the pool coming along? Been a while since I've been in chat. It's Gravity. Honestly, I don't know right now. I'm in Ohio. They were ready to lay the pavers. They were ready to do the pavers, but I don't know if they're doing them right now or not. And unfortunately, my internet doesn't work in Florida right now, so I have no way of checking my cameras. So it's kind of annoying. I'm kind of annoyed that I can't check my cameras and see if they're working on something, or I basically have no way of knowing. Okay, here we go. Here are the 80s, 24080s. All right, we are officially below the 24 100s, and that's kind of what I wanted. So I'm going to start looking for shorts. And I am going to look for shorts right now. Just need a nice pullback and then an entry. If we look the daily chart, definitely looking. Definitely feels heavy. Around which city in Ohio? I'm in Holmes County. So new weekly low on ES in a few minutes. Yeah, I mean, this looks like we're going to keep dipping. 24060s now, just continuing to fall. This is now we just need an entry. We need some kind of short entry here. I found my shorts. They were in the drawer. uh John. uh I want to be in a fresh counter position to almost all positions established. Hey, good morning, Max90. Good to see you. Looking to go short after it drops so much from the EMA is a bad idea. I don't know. It doesn't look so bad right now. She is ripping lower. This is what sucks when you don't. You almost need to trade a breakout below the 24 120s because this thing is now just straight dipping. And I don't really have an entry. Is what it is, I guess. What a dump. You went camping there? You live an hour or two north. Isn't it mostly Amish? Yes, this is totally Amish country. And I used to be Amish, so I fit right in. All right, we are down through the 24020s. Wow. Now, gotta be getting some kind of bounce here, you would think. Now we just see if we can, we got to get some kind of short going here. I'm thinking about entering short just mid candle. Like if we get a 50%, like 24.040s maybe. Ah, it's just going to keep going. Wow. This is crazy, chat. 24,000. There it is, 24,000 level. How do you, this is, I don't know. I don't know how to trade. Like, do I just jump in blindly? Just blindly chase? Unbelievable. That's 100-point drop. You know we're going to get this 100-point ripper candle. You know it's happening, right? We all know it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when. We just do not want to get caught in it. That's the only thing. If we get a move back up into the 60s, maybe, I'm definitely looking for a short. Obviously, the 24,000 is going to be an important level. I mean, this is a nice move. The New York, at least we're getting a nice move here, chat. So, all right, here's the bounce. Here's the bounce. I might. Gosh, this is where, I mean, this is where it's so dangerous. Like, it's so dangerous to do this, but it's going to trigger me a little bit if this thing just rips higher. Give me a continuation market. Don't just go straight up. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump, 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 dump. Keep going. All right, this is where I'm just going to take my loss if this rips back up. Can we get a continuation move? Doesn't look like it. Does not look like it, chat. Yeah, we're getting stopped. It's fine, though. It's fine. Give me a flush. Give me a flushing candle here. Big red candle. Come on. Give me 100 points. Feel like if we get back below the 24.020s, I think we can get this thing flushed, but right now this feels like it wants to bounce. Dump it. Do it. Flush it. Flush! Flush it! Oh, come on. It can't. Yeah, I just can't do it. It's trying, but it just can't get down below the 15s. Ah. I will enter short again. I don't care if I get stopped out. There's a chance we go back up and test like the 24/100s, which if we do, that's okay. Yeah, this looks like it wants to keep going. I'm going to give this just a little more wiggle room, just a tad, just a little more. Yeah, it's going to go, I think. Man, this thing can't get above the 43s. It's like the Great Wall of China right here. If it punches through, it's gonna go. Oh, come on, man. We have entered the Chop Fest. We have entered Chop Fest, chat. And there it goes. Oh, yeah, I knew once it would go, it would go. All right, now the 60. I'm still going to look for shorts, but this is starting to look a little dangerous. Got that V-shaped reversal pattern that I hate with a passion. I just want to see. This is where I can get very the bottom is in 100% guaranteed. Don't say that, design. Can't be. I finally want to take shorts. We got to keep going lower, right? Man, I want to short right here so bad. Oh, if I'm we got to go right here. I want to see this thing drop. I want to see it drop fast with no recovery, or I'm just going to kill this. This is where I've gotten killed in the past, and I'm just not going to let it happen. I'm done. I am just not messing with this stupid. This is what I hate. Get a big drop, and then all of a sudden the market just can't go lower. And it feels like it's right in that mode again. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. I've seen this movie before, and I'm just not gonna fight it. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. It's just doing it again. Crazy. Oh. I am only trading evals at the moment. That's the only accounts I got. We got to pass them first. And there it goes. Looks like we're going to take out the 100s again. Wow. Wow. Now I don't know what to do. This is where I want to short. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. If I don't, this is what makes me. I'm just going to have to accept my loss. That's the key. I can't chase it. I got to accept my loss. Jeez, I think something just fell off my wall. Come on, dump it. This just looks... Dump it. Man, this is so This is where I get so frustrated. Oh! It's just going to go straight back up. Gah! These V-shaped moves are so stupid. Just never fails. Just never fails. Like everything, it just goes straight back up. Like zero continuation to the downside. Zero. So wild. It's like you'd be better off if you just only look for longs. Only look for longs forever. Eventually, you're going to get the 200-point rip higher. You know, it's going to happen. It's inevitable. Exactly, Wild. Wild J, that's exactly what I mean. Like we did get a nice pullback off of this 160 support for an entry short, but then like here, I mean, gosh, I hate myself, but this is what sucks because now I should take this short. I really should. I really should take that short. And now I'm not going to take it because I'm scared. And now it's going to rip lower. Watch. But it's like we just get zero. It's like straight down and then straight back up for over 100 points. It is what it is. You can't win because stupid. I hate this market. I just can't do this. Why do I trade even? I just this is oh. I wonder why I get triggered. I wonder why. Oh dear. So maddening. This market is so bullshit. I mean, this is so insane. Just this is where I just don't care. Yeah, it's just it doesn't matter what I do. I don't even I don't care. Don't care. Don't talk to me. I go long, we dump. I go short, we rip all the way back up, stop me out to the tick, and then we go lower. Does not matter. Doesn't matter, chat. Don't really care either. Go ahead and dump. See if I care. Go ahead. I just don't care. I don't care. This can go up 200 points. I don't care. Doesn't matter. It's not going to. It's going to rip lower now, but doesn't matter. I'm so over it. I'm so over it. I don't know why I trade this stupid market. just so annoying.